Hey guys, it's Taiba Chicken and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I edited my own passport photograph. So recently I've been having a lot of breakouts and it has really affected my self-confidence, my self-esteem, and I just felt like I'm not going to let this take over me and I'm just going to keep being me. So I have decided to show you this in my own natural state and how I ended up taking a bonus passport photograph. So basically what I did was first to set my ring light and position my phone properly, and then have my head tucked behind my ears to show the proper frame of my face, and then I had to set a timer so my hand doesn't show while trying to take a picture. And I'm just going to go ahead and check the pictures that I've taken so far, and it seems like the first one I picked was my select picture. I also had to take a quick run through of the rest before making a pick. So I just go ahead and use this beauty editor app which I downloaded off the app store, and it has been really amazing. So what I did was to select the picture that I chose earlier on, and I'm just going to smoothen this out. So I picked the smooth filter and just smoothing my face out first before going ahead to heal the dark spots on my face. Then the thing I did was to go ahead to use the heal filter, and then I gradually selected the dark spots on my face, clearing them and fading them all out. So I sped up this particular part so we don't waste all the time here. As you can see, I carefully selected the dark spots, leaving out my beauty marks to keep it natural in the sense of it, so it doesn't look all blurred out and edited. So after that, I had to also make sure that my eye bags were covered, as well as my cheek and my chin. And after that, I had to work on the neck. First of all, I think I went on to start editing the neck way too much, and then I realized I was putting so much blur on it, and then I had to just keep it all natural at this point, just a little touch here and there. And then I have this mark on my nose from where my glasses sit on. It has just left a mark there that makes me very insecure, but with the aid of this particular app, I'm getting rid of it, and I'm just hoping to get a perfect result. So after this was done, I had to smoothen it out a little more just to give it that taste that I want. So you can see that I actually had to screenshot this particular picture because I cannot save it since I have not paid any money on this app. I know that's wrong, but hey, a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. So I went on to use InShot to further edit this picture. Now what I'm doing here is just to cut out the background from the main frame that I need, and then I'm going to put a white background. After selecting the white background, I have to fit it to frame because you can see that my arms have been cut out. So when you select no frame, it just gives it that very natural look without it looking very weird, honestly. So after this was done, I had to adjust the brightness and the filters a little to make it more picture-like, and I just had to use the edit setting to touch it up a little bit. After I was done, I just saved it, and I had to go back again to look at this picture. So I had to touch it up a little bit, and this is basically just a little touch up just to make it look a bit more like a passport photograph instead of looking like something that I did on my phone. Yes, I know. So I'm going to speed up this particular part, but you can still see the particular filters I'm using to touch it up a little, and that should basically be all. Just make sure it's the right size and it should fit, and this is how I ended up getting the passport so this is the final stage and the outcome of the whole work that I did today. I feel satisfied with it, and you should do. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.